Here we are at ScaleMP, who do some really interesting things with big memory machines. And I'm going to let, I forgot your name, Benjamin, take over and explain what's going on, because he can do it better than I.
All right, thanks. So ScaleMP, what we do is we're a virtualization provider. We provide a piece of virtualization software that allows companies to take independent x86 nodes and aggregate them together for a very large SMP. So instead of buying, the very large proprietary Unix or mainframes, they can now buy inexpensive x86 nodes, leverage the Intel performance curve, and really cobble together multiple nodes to create very large compute, very large memory footprint, up to 4 terabytes on an x86 footprint, which is very unique in the industry. So we've been doing this for a while. We have over 150 customers. We announced last week a couple of new technologies, an absolutely new product itself called VSMP Foundation for Cloud, which enables our customers to now be able to aggregate x86 nodes in the cloud dynamically on an as-needed basis. So they can create large SMP from cloud resources, run their large workloads, large CPU or memory workloads, and then disaggregate those components back into the cloud for other workloads. The second thing we announced is a new technology that is part of our kind of main product, our VSMP Foundation for SMP product, called Direct Connect 2. And this is really aimed at those customers who have a few nodes, 1 or 2 nodes, and are looking to inexpensively grow those into up to 4 nodes. Our technology now allows them to do that without using an InfiniBand switch, which is what you need to grow beyond 4 nodes. So our technology allows you to actually use InfiniBand cables to directly connect all those boxes together without the switch, thereby lowering the cost of entry-level SMP by about $15,000.
Wow. So is that multiple channels per board? Is that the idea per node?
Yeah, you need three InfiniBand connections, so you can take a single node and connect it directly to 3 other nodes.
Okay, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Anything else new?
Well, so the other things that I'd like to highlight are because we are now targeting a lower cost of entry, if you will, we also recognize the fact that there are a lot of customers out there who either might not have an existing relationship with a lot of the Tier 1 OEMs who resell our products, or some of those reseller partners, or their just ability to test the product and solution. So 2 weeks ago, we launched a brand new website, brand new www.scalemp.com, with far more information and material and performance benchmarks and the rest. But we also, as part of that launch, launched an e-commerce portal to allow customers to very quickly configure what they need online and order from us directly.
Oh, okay.
Which we think is a really big leap forward for the company, and an exciting opportunity for us to deal directly with some of our customers, particularly at the low end.
So is that all the hardware?
No, not the hardware, the software. We only sell the software. Right.
Oh, okay, got it.
So they use their existing x86 install base, whether it's from Dell or HP or IBM or Appro or Supermicro. We support all those hardware, all the existing hardware that's out there.
Oh, okay. So, well, that's good. I mean, it's definitely something I think a lot of people were interested in, because the shared memory model is very attractive to a lot of people.
Right.
And
in addition to that, particularly at the low end of the market, you can now take 4 two-way servers and create an 8-way SMP at significantly lower cost than it would cost you to go and buy a true 8-way SMP x86 chassis. Those are very expensive. Now there's value in those chassis as well at the higher end of the market, but it provides a real barrier to those customers looking to grow SMP, but without those high price points.
Right. Oh, I got that. Well, that's kind of the whole cluster mentality of, taking commodity hardware and getting the most out of it, and certainly ScaleMP's been doing that. So.
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you very much.
No, I appreciate it.
And that's what the website was, ScaleMP.com, and you can go there and check out what's new.